Hey guys, welcome back to Home with Ginger. I'm going to just get my house reset today. Going to bring you guys along. Usually like to get a load of laundry going first and then I'll unload the dishwasher. I start the dishwasher at night and the sink is always empty when I go to bed. Seems like when I get up there's always a collection of dishes that's happened while I was asleep. But that's okay. We live here. This is our home, so it's not going to always be perfect. But I do like to start my day with a clean kitchen. So I'll have that laundry going, get the kitchen cleaned up. I think I'm going to try to make some homemade meatballs tonight, and we'll see what we get into today. Going to get these blinds open, let some light in here, make some coffee. Here in a little bit, I'm going to share another thrift haul with you. I really like some of the things in the thrift haul. It's a very Mod Podge, different kinds of stuff. But anytime I'm buying anything from this thrift store, I do have some kind of idea in my head of what I'm going to use it for, what it could be used for. I'm always getting just random things, and I have a little collection and a stash that I can change out home decor or use when I'm doing crafting. So it's a really budget-friendly way for me to be able to do that. I'm wanting to soon do like my own little storage area with big shelving for all of the home decor and my craft supplies that I have. I have an extra bedroom and a bonus room upstairs, and I want to get that all organized and just almost like a little thrift store of my own. So that's exciting. I'll bring you guys along when that happens. We're nowhere near ready to do that. I got a lot of decluttering to do, but I'm excited about it. Really, my motivation today for getting this house put back in order really quick is to get back to watch one of my favorite shows, Sweet Magnolias. It was a Netflix show that came out in 2020, and the 5th season just came out in June, and I'm behind. I have maybe 6 episodes left to watch, and I'm already getting sad because it's almost over. It's about a small group of friends that are really like each other's ride or die. They are navigating family, jobs, romance, and they support each other no matter what. Another similar one is Firefly Lane. If you've not watched that one, you have to give it a watch. It's an older one from 2021, but it is so good, and I wish that I could watch it all over again for the first time. I need another good bingeable show to watch, so you guys let me know what your favorite is in the comments below so I can give it a look. This thrift haul had a little bit of everything. There's a 4th of July shirt and some blue tinsel for next year for the 4th. I love this stainless steel Pioneer Woman cup with the blue and white details, so pretty. Then the green knotted pillow back there is so cute. And then the green dish for some veggies or a fruit tray. These little things in the front there are sunglass holders and a little lampshade. And this picture, I just absolutely love this. It reminds me of an old library. And then back there, that's a wreath. It's a heart-shaped vine wreath. I won't use the things that it's already decorated with. I might try to reuse the ribbon or maybe some of the greenery, but it was really good condition, and I thought it'd be perfect to make a Valentine's wreath for next year. So I love finding all these different kinds of things when I'm thrifting. You have to get things, even if it's out of season, if you're a thrifter, to really get the good deals. I'm wanting to collect all different kinds of vases, like that little one you saw on the left there. I saw an inspiration picture of hanging vases from your curtain rod. I thought it would look so pretty for spring and summer. This sunglass holder was super easy to put up. It just had a peel and stick on the back. It's super sticky. Just made sure it was level and stuck it up at my entryway. I'm always searching for my sunglasses, so this would be perfect here. Gonna get this kitchen put back together really fast. It really wasn't too much. Just had to unload the dishwasher and reload the few dishes that appeared overnight, and that should do it for the kitchen. Since I'm already in here and had opened the junk drawer, I thought, oh my gosh, I need to get this done. So I went ahead and organized the junk drawer really quickly. It's always so surprising to me that so much can fit in these two tiny little drawers, but I made it work. Right about now, I'm thinking, how many straws do we need in this family? And then when I go to toss some of them out, I start thinking, no, I think that goes to that cup or that goes to that cup because all the cups are different. And I'm afraid to throw away one of the straws because then as soon as I throw it away, I'm going to be like, oh man, that was the straw I needed for that particular cup. So ended up just putting them all back in there except for the plastic straws that came with McDonald's drinks or something that hadn't been out of the wrapper yet. Go ahead and throw those away. Throw away some zip ties, bread ties, things like that, and get this put back together the best I can. It's kind of like a puzzle, just finding where everything fits, but it's all done and I think it looks so great. It was looking so pretty outside that I decided to go out and have some iced tea on the front porch and enjoy some weather. But I hadn't been sitting here but for a minute. Something caught my attention out of the corner of my eye over by my water feature. It was a spider on the wall, so I was done sitting outside. I'll try it again later. Last load of laundry going in. Feels so good. I thought this coffee bar area was looking a little crowded on top, so I was going to take some of the decor down and get that cleaned up. I was like, what in the world is all of that? It wasn't dust, but then I remembered I'd patched a screw and that was drywall dust and I hadn't cleaned it. So I give that a quick wipe down. And then there were some stickers up there and I had this new little tool that's like a plastic razor. So I got that off really quickly. It was super easy. These were very inexpensive. It came with like 16 of these. And then I used some alcohol and got the sticky off. And it looked so good when I was done. This little tool is so satisfying to use. I didn't know I needed one of these until I got a pack. I really got them because I was trying to use it on my stovetop. It's a glass stovetop. There's anytime anything splatters out, there's always that white residue that's left behind. So that's what I originally bought them for. But I find I'm using them all the time, all around the house. And they've come in so handy so far. Give this bathroom a quick wipe down. It wasn't too bad. I just cleaned the toilets the day before, so they weren't bad at all. But this sink, I hadn't done it. Just wiped it out with the hand towel that was there, and I'll put a new fresh hand towel up. Also using that little razor to scrape off some sticky Velcro that I had on the back of the toilet that was holding some kind of decor that I had there once upon a time. But that came up pretty simple. Got all that organized and cleaned. And just spray some cleaner in there since it was pretty clean to start with. Give it a flush. It's all done. This basket I got at a thrift store. I paid $10 for it. I think you could also turn this over and it could be like a little table for outside on the patio or even a coffee table. I really love the look of it. I was going to go back outside and grab some things out of my car, straighten the car up a little bit, and I looked, and the sky looked like this. It's like, what in the world? I was not expecting any kind of storm. It was so weird. It was absolutely beautiful on one side and then dark on the other side. My ferns, I thought they were going to fall down, so I set them down on the ground so they could get some of the rain. The rainstorm stopped just as quick as it started, and my daughter and grandson showed up. He had on his little rain boots. He looked so cute. And then I look up, and there's this little family of ducks coming across the neighbor's yard, and then went across my front yard and down the side yard and found a little mud puddle of their own to play in. They were so cute, and I really love that little white one. He's so different than the other ones, and he's just trying to keep up with everybody. Like here he even stumbles a little bit, but he's so adorable, and I thought they were so, so cute. I'm going to go ahead and get dinner in the oven. I'm going to make some homemade meatballs. They're very, very simple. Just going to use ground beef and Italian sausage, then a bunch of spices you probably have in your cabinet. I'm putting minced onion, onion powder, garlic powder, basil, parsley, and oregano in mine. Then you need a couple eggs and a little bit of milk, just like a little splash, some shredded Italian cheese, a little salt and pepper. Normally I'd put Italian breadcrumbs in this, but I only had cornbread stuffing mix, so I just used maybe a cup of that. Mixed it all together with the KitchenAid and then scooped it all out into golf ball size little meatballs, put them on the tray and pop them in the oven at 400 for about 25 minutes. And then what I'm going to eat for tonight, I'll stick in the marinara sauce. I'm just using ragu. I'm keeping everything very simple tonight. Let them simmer for about 15 minutes and they come out really delicious and very moist. That's all I have for today's video. I hope you've liked it. Please let me know what you'd like to see me do in another video in the future. I hope to be doing a remodel on my bathroom soon, and I'll share that with you guys if you want to see it. Just give me a like, share, and a comment, and I hope to see you back next Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon.